All right, my dear friends, this is Speaker's Corner. This is Speaker's Corner. Things get really heated here. But the heat that we need to deal with is the heat of our brain. Thinking more, trying to find out answers is what we need to do at Speaker's Corner. This is what, as a Judeo-Christian nation, we are used to in the United Kingdom, my dear friends. In the UK, which is a Judeo-Christian nation, a Christian nation where Jesus Christ has led us. Look at this man. Look at this man and his entourage. What do? Shamelessly show up at Speaker's Corner. You know where he needs to show up? He needs to show up with al-Baghdadi in Islamic State, perhaps. I mean, can you imagine? Can you imagine walking in the streets of our nation? Walking in the streets of our nation being angry all the time, but very rarely being able to do anything. That is this man. He is on record. Someone who assaults others. You, sir, don't turn around. You. This is what Islam does. This is what Islam does to our nation. What do we do as Christians? And they think, lovely. And they think they are doing them a favor by shouting once in a while that they need beer. Can you imagine this utter nonsense? They don't even realize that they are proving my own point by shouting out random nonsense, gibberish every now and then. Please shout out, sir, one more. I'd like for you to shout out so people may know your true face sooner rather than later. Okay, let me start again. Okay, listen. I'll ask again. I am a Christian. I have multiple reasons as to why anyone should be a Christian. Very simple. And that is why I show up at Speaker's Corner. I come here to say, look, if you want to look at morality, Jesus defines the very reference point of morality. One good reason as to why you must be a Christian. So I have multiple reasons as to why anyone should be a Christian. And that is what I bring up in a public place. I'm going to ask again. There are many Muslims here who shout out needless slogans, proving yourself to be brainwashed, Nazi, murderous, and you smoke and kill yourself sooner than when you have alcohol. And you think that's a wonderful place to be in. Unbelievable. Now, and so my question to any Muslim here, let me finish the question and then please answer. To any Muslim, don't touch me, stay, keep distance. To any Muslim, the question is simple. To any Muslim, the question is simple. Give me one good reason as to why anyone should be a Muslim. Any Muslim, please listen. One good reason as to why anyone should be a Muslim. My dear Muslim friends, anyone? Any volunteers from among those who shouted out, take beer or something? Anyone at all? You know, there is a good way to make Muslims go silent. There is a very good way to make Muslims go silent.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
That's switch number one. There are three switches they have. It's either take beer or Allahu Akbar, especially before they chop other people's heads off. And a couple of more similar, Mullahu, Allahu, you know, all these Mickey Mouse, Alibaba stories. That's all we get from Islam. Look at him, angry every week in, week out. Is there a Muslim? Is there a Muslim who wants to give me a good answer? Why should anyone be a Muslim? Please come here, sir. Please come. Why? Give me one good reason as to why anyone should be a Muslim,
Because
please.
we are following Jesus, following all messenger of God.
You're following Jesus.
And Jesus, yeah, also.
Yeah, you're following Jesus.
Exactly, yeah.
Can you imagine the level of brainwashing that has happened here? Be a Muslim for a certain number of months, you have your brain damaged. This gentleman here, contrary to all of archaeology available in the history of the world, he shows up here and he says he follows Jesus being a Muslim.
And Jesus
Can you imagine the level of delusion that is happening?
Hey,
Islamic banking.
because Jesus tell everyone that their last messenger is coming.
All right, my dear friends.
Okay.
The gentleman thinks Jesus was a Muslim. Let's try and find out if this is true. Let's see how far he goes with this. Jesus says, love your enemies. Muhammad says, go kill them. How can they both be representing the same God? How?
Give me a proof that Jesus said.
Islamic banking is much better.
Islamic banking you think is much better. You don't know the details about. Are you from? I am from the banking sector, sir, and I can tell you rubbish.
Why? Come tell me, explain.
Try out. Excuse me, sir.
Having interest on things, not invest. Islamic banking is investing within the organisation, isn't it? And it's like if they win, you win, isn't it?
I'll tell you something.
They don't charge interest.
I'm answering.
It's not
So
set up to do interest, is it?
Sure.
In the Quran, it's not set up.
Sure. Let's. So, my dear friends, please.
Listen to him. Is that true?
I've listened. I'm responding. Please, I'm engaging with him. Please listen. Please, maybe it's your cooling glasses which is not giving you a good sight. Please listen. I'm engaging with him.
I'm not agreeing.
All right. I'm engaging with him right now. Please don't blabber 1 second. So, there are many people in our nation. 1 second, I'm engaging with you. Many people who in our nation who think there are some good things with Islam. And one of the good things they think there is with Islam is the noble Islamic banking apparently. Because according to him, Islamic banking doesn't charge what is called usury. According to him, according to the Quran. But let me reveal a deeply held secret to everyone, including you, sir.
What's your name?
Listen, please listen. We are engaged. No, listen.
Why? You're
Please listen, sir. What does Islam do? Yeah. What does Islam do to hide every wickedness that they have? They give a new name to it. They charge heavy usury, but just don't call it interest. They do heavy sexual immorality, but just don't call it sexual immorality. They'll essentially say, look, you want to have sex with a lady? Go, say I'm marrying you now. Have sex and say I'm divorcing you now and go away. In the UK, we will call that prostitution. In Islam, you don't have prostitution because
This is your
you've
Islam.
given a new name.
This is your Islam.
You've given a new name to prostitution. Likewise, sir. Likewise, in Islam, yeah, good. I'm coming to you.
You have
Like,
the Quran. Give me the proof.
excuse me,
That's
sir.
Islam.
Stay quiet.
Because you are
Don't be
right.
desperate. Stay quiet. I'm speaking to him. If you're angry, keep moving. If you want to listen, please listen. Don't upset and hijack the conversation. Please don't. Now, coming to you. What does Islam do when it comes to usury? Well, I'll tell you what it does. You know, if you know anything about investment, you put some money in.
How about I tell you what?
You put some money in. You put some money in. You put some money. One
Ask
second.
a Muslim. You don't. You ask me. What does it do?
Excuse me, sir. This is the UK.
Yeah.
You can't decide who I speak to. Just keep moving if you don't. I am speaking to the gentleman. If you're unhappy, if you need to take a pee break, please keep moving. I'm speaking to him. Now, coming to you, sir. What happens with interest? You know, if you get a loan with a bank, what do the
banking.
No, a regular bank. I'm trying to compare.
You told me
I'm trying to compare
you
now.
told me that they charge it.
I'm-
They charge a hidden interest.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Where's
trying
your-
to compare right now.
What is your evidence?
I'm trying to compare.
What is your evidence?
I'm answering already.
Yeah, complete.
I'm answering already.
Please.
Good. So, when you try and invest, what's that?
It's done nothing. Go on.
If you don't want to have a conversation, please keep moving.
What is your
There's no
evidence?
point. Excuse me,
What is your
sir.
evidence?
Excuse me,
What is your
sir.
evidence?
If you,
Come on,
if
What is your evidence?
if you want to have your own personal conversation,
What
with
is your
this,
evidence?
please keep moving.
Please, little man.
What happens in the United Arab Emirates in relation to projects that happen there? My dear friends, today Today in the world, if you want to find out one major area where there is slavery, human slavery, it is in the Arabian Peninsula. Every single year, people work in one of the most horrible circumstances, exported from other nations in the world. Go there, many of them end up dying. Excuse me, sir, I'm not speaking to you anymore, sir. After your underhand dealing, not speaking to you, please keep moving. If you don't want to have a sensible conversation, please keep moving. So what happens with Islam? Horrible. I am not interested. I've told you already. Excuse me, sir. After your underhand dealing, not interested anymore. Keep moving. So what does Islam have? Horrible practices. You can stay in the UAE for 10 years, 20 years working. You will never be able to get citizenship there. Why not? You can work in one of the most hostile circumstances. The moment you enter in, your passports will be seized. Why is that? You can end up dying. Your relatives could end up dying in your host nations. But if you need to go and visit them, who needs to give permission for you? Your employer needs to give permission for you before you can leave a nation if you have gone there to work. These are the horrible business practices which we would call rightly slavery in our nation. So in Islam, you have slavery. You can read about slavery of non-Muslims in the Quran. And you think you have good practices? In Islam, you invest money, you want a return which is much more than what you invest. That is what we would call taking interest. You invest a portion, you invest a certain amount of money, you take back, or you want to take back an amount which is much more than what you gave. This is what we will call interest. Just because you've given a new name for it and call it Project Profit, it doesn't make it not an interest. You are losers, and you may deceive people like him. You may deceive people like him to make your Islam look nice, but you're not going to deceive people who understand the details of what is happening. My dear friends, in the Quran, there is nothing which is good for our society.
This is not the Quran.
And the only excuse this gentleman has,
Stop shouting when you
what is not the Quran? Apparently this is not the Quran.
Say something as well.
Apparently this is not the Quran.
Quran is Arabic word.
What is this, a toilet tissue? What is this?
Transition should be in Arabic word.
If this is not the Quran, what is this?
Even the transition should be in Arabic words.
If this is not, listen please, listen.
Quran is Arabic words, and you should read it in Arabic words and transition in Arabic words.
Listen.
Not transition in what you.
It's not transition, it's translation. Please listen.
No.
Please listen. Look, please listen.
You said Quran no said Quran. This is not the Quran.
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Listen. I'm asking a simple question. No, I will. I will ask a question and then I'll wait for an answer. Is this a Quran?
It looks like a.
Don't. No, just see from here. They give out here. What is this?
Anything, let me open it.
Yeah, open. What do you have? Surah Al-Baqarah.
Let me read something.
Read.
Even the transition should be.
What is this? Is this the Quran?
The exact Quran. Even the transition.
Is this the Quran? Is this the Quran?
The Quran is in
I mean, what level of lunacy? What level of lunacy should exist?
It wouldn't be Quran. You can't have the Quran in English.
What level of lunacy should you have that you walk around claiming that this is not the Quran? Boy, if this is not the Quran, what? No, say, look at this. This is what they're giving out here. What is this? What is this?
I can make anything and name it Quran. It won't
Go
be
there,
Quran.
go there and ask if it is the Quran or not.
The
Now,
real Quran is in Arabic. I can write anything. in
I am
English.
going to come again.
Listen, can I see inside?
No.
I just want to verify that.
No, I don't want to give it to you.
No,
Thank
why
you.
not?
For all sorts of different
Why
reasons.
not?
Why? I'm staying focused right now.
That's not the Quran. That's why he
My
don't
dear
know.
friends,
See, we can just read.
for all the Muslims, for all the Muslims who are watching, I'm going to ask the next question because we have to move on. We have to make sense.
Hello. You believe in Jesus?
Please stay quiet. Wait for the answer, please. Please don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't come into my personal space. It's fine.
Brother, please, we
Now,
just want to verify that's the
don't
Quran.
come into my personal space.
Can we check inside?
Don't come into my personal space. It's fine. Don't come into my personal space. It's fine.
You believe
Question.
Just
Question.
Brother, show us the book.
Dear friends, question. Clearly,
They have the book over
please wait. Listen, please.
I want to read what's inside.
Question. Wait. Clearly,
Muslims have it on the stall.
clearly the Islamic Allah.
So are you saying that's
wanna
not
see
the
it.
Quran?
One
Go
second.
there.
One second.
Stop pushing me.
Clearly, wait. Clearly, the Islamic Allah is a polar opposite to God of the Bible. That's quite clear. It's as clear as daylight. It's as clear as daylight that the Islamic Allah is not the same as God of the Bible. Given that that is the case, is there anyone among you Muslims
we pride
who are able to
as our
Wait,
always
wait.
we pride as our prophet.
Wait. Given that the Islamic Allah is not the same as God of the Bible, is there any Muslim who is able to now demonstrate that the Quran is from a supernatural source? Anyone? Anyone? Given that the Quran's Islamic Allah is a polar opposite to God of the
I
Bible,
just want to see your translation to Surah Fatiha.
is there any Muslim who is able to make a case
So scared to
that the Quran is from a supernatural source? Anyone? Any Muslim? Is there any Muslim who can make a case for why the Quran is from a supernatural source? Anyone? 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 Hello? Why is everyone suddenly quiet? You're a Muslim. Can you make, please, can you make a case for why the Quran is from a supernatural source? Anyone?
mistake in the Quran. Read the page first. We want to see.
Sure. Ignore. We have moved on. Any case, please.
I want to go back to the
Any
previous
case,
question.
any case.
Back to the first question.
Don't touch.
Give me one ayah.
Don't touch. Any case, anyone? Any Muslim, sir? Any Muslim? Going once, going twice, going twice. Are you a Muslim? Instead of going all that, give an answer. Give me one good. Give me one good reason.
I will answer.
One good reason to say that this junk is from a supernatural source. Anyone?
Just let me answer. Just let me answer. Just let me answer. Jesus is Muslim.
Cover. If you can't stay stable, stay away. Look good. Look at the lunacy.
Don't say a word.
يا جماعة اسحبوا على البلد.
Now talk.
Yeah. All right. That's Islam. Hey, everyone, please cover this gentleman. 20 odd years old. 20 odd years old. 20 odd years old. 40 years old. 50 years old. 70 years old. 80 years old. Clueless. Clueless.
No, brother.
You're Muslims for such a long time. I asked the most basic question.
10 years old and we keep you
The
silent.
most basic question. Give me one good reason as to why. Now you know why many people in the world may genuinely be convinced that this is toilet tissue.
from India.
Toilet tissue, my dear friends.
Who's your God though?
Why? I've asked you Muslims. To you, sir. Give me one good reason as to why this book is from a supernatural source. One good reason. Anyone? One good reason?
No one touching us.
No, he did approach me. Give me my personal space. We are happy. Personal space. We are happy. Thank you. Yes, I am fine. Someone assaulted earlier, but I'll report to that later. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, officer. Thank you. All right. Now all your beer is running out. Let's get back to some sense. Any one Muslim who can take 2 steps forward, come here, leave the mob, and show up as a brave man and give one good reason as to why this utter junk is from a godly source. Anyone? Why do you think this is from a supernatural source? Why? Anyone? Yeah, repeat your nonsense. That helps you. So in other words, my dear friends, the Mickey Mouse milkshake Islamic Allah is in serious trouble at Speaker's Corner. Week in, week out, he was in trouble in 2024. Now he is still in trouble in 2025. Jesus, on the other hand, has been standing victorious for centuries in our nation.
Jesus was Muslim.
Give me one good reason.
He's Muslim. He's part of our prophet.
Yeah, please.
How many times has the Bible been changed?
Listen.
And how many
Calm.
times has the Quran been changed? I'm calm. I'm
The
talking.
calm gentleman is now going to give a sensible answer.
I'm talking.
Give me one.
How many times
Please
has the Bible
listen.
been changed? You listen.
Please listen.
You've been talking
In other words, yeah,
for
nonsense.
time.
Any good Muslim, who is able to give one good reason as to why Jesus is a Muslim. Anyone? Because your Muslim mullah says. Any good reason? A Muslim can come and explain as to why Jesus is a Muslim. Anyone? Again, how to make?
I'll go.
Yes, sir.
I'm independent here, but according to what I hear about Muslims, they say all the prophets up until like from Adam, yes, like you, all the way up are all Muslims. All men are Muslims.
Sure. Let me ask you a simple question, sir.
I just
Yeah, I understand. I hear what I'm saying. But that is the claim. You're just merely repeating a claim. I'm asking, give one good reason to back up the claim. That's what we are looking.
It's not
With
a very
Muslims,
bad thing to claim.
one second. It's a very terrible thing to claim.
No, it's not.
I'll explain why. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. With Muslims, my dear friends. Wow, wow, quite.
You're the one yelling. I think this is speaking.
With Muslims, you get plenty of claims. Delusion is in Islam every single day, all over the place. Delusion is not missing in Islam. I am looking for reason, not delusion. So the question is very simple. Is there a Muslim? Yeah, all the Masha, Mullah, Ahmadullah, Mullah. If you're so glad for being a Muslim, you should be able to step up and give one good reason
But we did, but you
in
couldn't
front of
answer
all
any
the cameras here. One good reason as to why Jesus is a Muslim. One solid reason. Anyone?
Everyone stepped
Your
up, but you
Masha,
couldn't
Mullah,
answer. We didn't need
Alhamdulillah, Mullah, all of them are useless right now. You see, now you're swearing. So your Islamic ally is clueless. Either you shout out a slogan or you swear. Nothing in between. At Speaker's Corner, we try to make sense. Any good Muslim, sir. Why is Jesus a Muslim? You, sir. Any answer? No answer. Yourself, sir. Allah. Mullah Akbar doesn't make Jesus a Muslim. Anyone? You are not a Muslim, sir. You are a Muslim? You are. Why is Jesus a Muslim, sir?
Do you know what Muslim means?
No, please tell me. Give me an answer. Pretty simple. Why? Give me one reason as to why Jesus is a Muslim.
Answer my question, I'll answer your question. Do you know what being a Muslim means? Because you're asking a question, so do you understand the question that you're asking?
Sure.
What is being a Muslim mean?
If you know the Quran, the pinnacle, what defines a Muslim, the best definition is someone who is a terrorist who would go around kill Jews and Christians. Wow. Excuse me. Have you? Wow. Wait. Have you ever read Surah Al-Imran in your life? Have you ever read Surah Al-Imran? Wait a second. Clearly, let's get this straight right now. The gentleman asked, who is a Muslim? What defines someone a Muslim?
That's not what I said.
Who is a Muslim? What defines someone?
What is the definition of a Muslim?
Yeah. Why? Which is what? Wow. What is? Excuse me, sir. What is the definition of a Muslim versus who is a Muslim? It's pretty much the same. Dynamic equivalence. You don't have to ramble on. Dynamic equivalence. So the gentleman asked, what's? So the gentleman asked a question. I gave an answer. You might not have read your Quran before, sir, properly. But if you have time, go back to your home, read Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3. Wait. The summary of Surah Al-Imran is that kill the believers. If you hesitate to kill, wow. Excuse me, sir. Look. 1 second, please. Let's be honest here. Let's be honest and fair and useful. I ask questions about the Quran. When I ask questions, all Muslims go silent or shout out Mullah Akbar, take a beer, and all sorts of other slogans. So it's either silence or shouting out slogans. None of you have the capacity to tell me anything from the Quran. I am doing you a favor, sir. And the favor I gave you is that I can tell you details from the Quran. Surah Al-Imran tells you who a Muslim is. If you want further details, you can go to Surah Al-Maidah, Surah 5 if you like. If you want further clarification, you can go through Surah 4, Surah 8, Surah 9, Surah 7. You can go through all sorts of different surahs and I can explain to you why the best definition for a Muslim is someone who would go fight in the way of your Islamic mullah. That's clear in the Quran. If you haven't read this, you might be a little bit confused. If you have read this, you are lying. Now coming back to you, sir. That's the definition of a Muslim. You tell me how, have you ever read the Surah Al-Imran in your life? Do you know anything about Surah Al-Imran?
Being a Muslim means to submit yourself to the will of God.
Listen to me carefully. Listen to me
I'll
carefully.
give you the definition.
No, listen to me
I don't wanna hear
carefully.
your definition. You just rhyming for 5 minutes. Give me BS. Give me the definition.
Look, I'm not asking for your fancy stories, sir. Fancy stories you can sell at Oxford Street. Maybe put up your wait. Get just no one second. If you want to sell fancy stories, take a table, lay your stand at Oxford Street, sell your fancy stories. Not interested with your fancy stories. Now coming back, why is there a Muslim who can give a good reason as to why Jesus was a Muslim? Anyone? Anyone? Please, if you're sensible and if you're a Muslim, you'll walk away because you haven't got a clue, and therefore best is a Google search won't help you. So best is either to
You don't even want to show us the inside of the book.
look. Are you a Muslim, sir? How old are you?
I don't need to answer that question.
So he doesn't even know how old he is. Look at the level of brain damage. How old are you, sir? 22, yeah? Give me one good reason as to why Jesus is a Muslim.
No, brother, let's go back to the question.
No. Give me one good reason as to why Jesus was a Muslim.
I want to see inside
Next you, sir. Please be ready. Please Google search, do anything you want, but please be ready. Why is Jesus a Muslim?
I want to see inside
No,
the
waste
book
of time.
first.
You, sir.
No. You've been using
Every single prophet was a Muslim
And that's a nice claim. Why?
because it says in the Quran.
Oh, because the
It says in
Quran
the
said.
Quran.
Oh, wow.
Find me
Look
a
at
fault in
this
the Quran.
nonsense.
Find me a fault in the Quran.
Look at find
Find
a
me a singular fault in the Quran.
singular what?
A singular fault in the
A
Quran.
singular fault in the Quran.
Find me one and show.
I'm
all
going
of
to
us
answer.
it.
I'm going to answer.
Show all of us it.
I'm going
The
to-
cameras
No,
recording.
but
Show the cameras. Show us.
I'm ready.
It says in the
show
Quran.
If you quieten now,
You're
I am ready.
Okay,
Show
let's
us.
see.
Let's see.
So the gentleman.
Let's see.
Wow.
Let's see.
Wait.
Let's see. I want to
Find one fault in the Quran. Well, I must admit, I really struggle to find one because there are plenty of faults in the Quran. I mean, who in their right mind would think a girl child prepubescent is a sex object? Who in their right mind would think so? The Quran thinks so. Major problem. Who in their right mind would think don't love Muslims? Who in their right mind would think that? Well, the Quran thinks so. Jews and Christians have to be terrorized, have to be sent on exile or killed or maimed or be subjugated. Who in their right mind would think so? The Quran. He asked me to find one problem. I'm giving him one after another. Now he is in his dreamland again. Why? Because he is
You got this.
Because-
Quran in your hand. Show us.
sure.
Show us.
Why I'm going? Why? Because he cannot deal with the truth. So he wants me to show this problem. I'm going to show this
That's not
problem.
the Quran in your hand though. The Quran is in Arabic.
That's not the Quran, man.
That's not the Quran.
The Quran is in Arabic. Hey, we need to dance to this tune now. All right. So show that from the Quran. Let me show you from the Quran. Why do we have terrorist attacks on Christian nations across the world? I'll tell you why. Surah 5. Surah, yeah, it's a big book. He never read this in his life.
You don't have a
Surah
you tried to
Al-Maida.
It's not in Arabic.
Did you ask me?
Excuse me.
Look at him. Look at
Excuse me,
him.
sir. Have you tried to
He says show that. Now he is going to rant on.
Excuse me, sir.
Surah
Excuse me, sir.
Al-Maida.
Yeah, can you come and tell them
Surah.
that it's a fake
Excuse
book?
me.
You
Excuse
don't want to
me.
tell them it's a fake book, do
Surah Al-Maida, Surah 5, Ayah 32. You wanted me to show this? I'm showing this to you. Because of that, please read. Because of that, we decreed.
They've got it on the
We
stalls
decreed.
there. These guys
Excuse
are
me,
saying
sir.
it's a fake
Please.
book. Yes, it's a fake book.
Please listen. Indeed,
Even in Arabic,
verse
it's a fake
33, sorry. Indeed, the penalty for those who wage war against Allah and His Messenger and strive upon the earth corruption.
No way, you translate it as you want. It's not the Quran.
Excuse me, sir, we don't have
No
COVID today.
way.
Take your COVID
You
mask off.
translate it as
And
you
stay
want.
away, stay away, stay away.
It's not the Quran.
No
Quran
problem.
is Arabic word.
So what is the answer from this faithful Islamic jihadist? This is not the Quran.
Yeah, this
Look at him.
Quran is
Faithful.
Arabic word.
Look at him. He is a faithful,
Jesus is Muslim. Give me the mic.
faithful Islamic jihadist. He knows what to do when he comes to the UK. Put the mask on. When he goes away, plan to kill. Surah 5, Ayah 33.
I am Messiah.
So, indeed, the penalty for those who wage a war against Allah, the Islamic Mickey Mouse Mullah, and his messenger, and strive upon earth corruption. You know who strives corruption according to Islam? Whoever practices a non-Islamic religion, i.e., Judaism or Christianity, is someone who spreads corruption.
It's not the Quran. Just let me.
What would happen to them?
Just let me read the index.
They be.
Read the content.
Please, if you have COVID, please stay away.
Messiah.
But they be killed.
I am Messiah.
They be killed. Where did the Muslim fellows go?
Messiah.
The Muslim fellows, what happened to them? There were two standing here.
Messiah.
They be killed or crucified, or that their hands and feet be cut off from opposite sides, or that they be exiled from the land. Why do all the Muslims want Israel to be sent away from their land? Well, the answer,
God never gave Jews the land. That's lies, lie.
what do the Muslims think?
Jews had 1,000 years
Surah
to
5,
make up lies.
Surah
Jews had 1,000
Sure,
years
sure.
to make up lies.
Surah 5, Ayah 33. They be killed or crucified, or their hands and feet be cut off from opposite sides, or that they be exiled from the land. So the next time, my dear friends, when you come across a Muslim terrorist attack, let no one tell you, including if they have titles such as the Prime Minister of a nation, or the monarch, the king, or the queen of a nation, don't let anyone fool you. When a Muslim goes to attack and kill and maim the Christians and the Jews, they are being faithful Muslims, faithful to their toilet tissue, namely the Quran.